Hey, smart people. Thank you for being interested on this webinar. This video is a small snapshot of what I would like to give you. This is the Edmodo platform, and these are all my classes. I have classes for TOEIC, for just general English, for IELTS, for the TOEFL program. And just to give you a quick example, of the things that you're able to do here. You can post quizzes, you can post videos, and this is like social media. As a matter of fact, Edmodo calls themselves the social media of education. And just to give you a quick example, Tatiana finished her program. I sent her a video at the end of her program and her diploma too. Okay, so here you can see this this quick snapshot, and these are the strategies that I would like to give you, but there are so many things that I want to teach you in 1 hour and 15 minutes. I want to do 15 minutes of webinar and then 25 minutes of questions and answers. And but with this example, you can see that this program is very efficient. She started with an 87.5 in the TOEFL and finished with 102. This is only TOEFL, but I want to give you ideas for many things. It all depends on you. It depends on what you want, what you need, what you have in your hands. I'm not going to give you material. I'm going to give you the strategy, hands-on, step by step. And here you can see how Tatiana was very thankful with the program. Okay, well, sorry, this is just a snapshot of what's to come, but there are so many things. Of course, this is only a sneak peek, but there are very academic principles of language learning in the online. And right now with the coronavirus, it's just necessary, and it's a time of opportunity. Okay, after this video, please comment and let's continue the conversation. Hopefully, you'll join me on Monday, whether it is in the morning or at night. Well, from El Salvador, this is Victor Mejia, and I hope we connect.